welcome back. We are still in Italy and I'm about to round everyone up. They love these steps. Okay, please have a seat, relax, and then we can begin. In lesson number 2, with the assistance of Leonardo da Vinci, you learned how to draw a fabulous treble clef for the treble staff. In lesson 3, we're going to sharpen up your treble staff note recognition. You will feel so great as you find yourself remembering and identifying letter names faster than ever. The instruments reading treble staff along with keyboard and harp are violin, recorder, flute, oboe, clarinet, saxophone, horns, trumpets, vibraphone, mandolin, and guitar. Viola has its own alto clef and alto staff since the viola's alto range is in the middle area of the grand staff. Their middle C4 is on line 3, counting from the bottom up. On the treble staff, we will concentrate on 12 letter names. Middle C is marked. On the keyboard, we are concentrating on the 12 white keys with middle C at C4. But let's just focus on only 4 important landmark notes: middle C, G for G clef, high C, and high G. That's CG, CG. If you're new to this, you could think C for the cat with the ledger line whiskers. The next landmark note is G. Follow that second yellow G dotted line for G for the G clef. The next landmark note is high C, a must to remember. It's in space number 3, or, easier, the second space from the top. The last landmark note is high G. It's technically off the staff, but it is touching the staff, so I'm including it. Think, it's the head of the G clef staff. So there you have the 4 landmark notes. Once you know these, it's easier to find the others by counting up or down from these, rather than starting at middle C. Now for the others. You could think of D for the dog, cat and dog. On the keyboard above, D for the dog with the 2 black key ears. When I was first learning these letters, I had a chart over my piano to help. Every time I got stuck, it was always that B bugger smack in the middle of the treble staff. So that B was smack in the middle like B for bullseye. But when I got it, that note felt great. Now, if we back it up a note, we have A as an ABC in light blue, or start at landmark G, and since there's no H, restart with A. Let's look at landmark high C, then go up 1 to high D, high C, D. That only takes 1 second to get to. I know it's a stretch of the imagination, but you only have 2 more letters to go. 1 letter below the G landmark is highlighted at F, FG. FG is in 2 places, before the G of the G clef and before high G. That leaves 1 letter left, E for excellent job. The first E is on the first line, and the high E is in the last or 4th space. Don't give up. For space notes, you can also remember from the bottom up, space, face. They rhyme. For lines, every good boy deserves fudge, and more gelato, or a multitude of other phrases. On the staff, C, D, E, F, G appears twice, so to distinguish them, be sure to call the high letters high C, high D, high E, high F, and high G. Keep your bearings. You may ultimately find it quicker to count the alphabet up or down from the closest landmark. Your knowledge is key to becoming a skilled musician. You are educating and elevating yourself and prepping yourself for some speed ahead. It's time to check your knowledge. Do you know these treble staff letter names? If the letter name is high, say so. During this challenge, the closest landmark will be marked on a line or a space as a small icon. Start your engines, or when in Rome, start your Italian sports cars. We're just going for a leisurely ride recognizing these treble staff note names. Ready? Here we go. Middle C. G. high G, high C, F, high E, A, D, B, E, high F, high D, and done. How did you do? If it did not feel good, that's just your signal to review before going forward. If it felt good, we're going to speed it up and put you on the open road for Tier 2. Ready? Here we go. E, F, G, D, high D, high F, high C, B, A, high G, middle C, high E, done. If you are ready, we are on for the final Tier 3 Grand Prix race. Buckle up your seatbelts and start your engines. On your mark, get set, go. D, middle C, A, high D, high E, G, B, E, high G, F, high C, high F, and done. How did you do? If you felt a signal to review, you'll only feel better. If it felt great, step into the winner's circle. Congratulations to all of our high-speed treble staff readers. This is a celebration. If you scored 100%, you are officially an intermediate theory reader. Your sight reading, playing, music, vocabulary, and notation just got a huge boost. Remember, no matter what tier you are on, as long as you have your wheels on and you're looking ahead, you are always going forward. See those mountains back there? That's where we're heading next. We are heading to the Italian Alps. for some fantastic skiing and base staff reading in lesson number 4. As you enjoy the ride, see if you can solve this last quote and who said this. He who loves practice without theory is like the sailor who boards the ship without a rudder and a compass and never knows where he may cast. Leonardo da Vinci, great painter, artist, engineer, architect, scientist, inventor, philologist, father of paleontology, ichnology, and a musician. Pause for a moment to appreciate and enjoy how far you've come. Thank you.